Happy morning, children. Practice set 2.4, question number 2. Rationalize the denominator we have to do. 1 upon root 7 plus root 2. Now, we have already discussed the concept of conjugate pair, binomial, quadratic surd in our last class. So, if I want to rationalize the denominator, what I need to do? I need to take conjugate pairs. So this all we have discussed in our last class. What are the conjugate pairs? How do we write conjugate pairs? If you are getting root 5 plus root 3, the conjugate pair is root 5 minus root 3. If plus is there, just change the sign minus. Here 7 plus root 3. Plus is here, 7 minus root 3 is the conjugate pair. And if you multiply, here all examples have been, if you multiply you get the rational number. So if I want to solve this example, what I want to know the conjugate pair of root 7 plus root 2. So what's the conjugate pair of root 7 plus root 2? Here plus is given. So the conjugate pair will be root 7 minus root 2. So the first step we will write the conjugate pair. The conjugate pair of root 7 plus root 2 is root 7 minus root 2. Here plus is there, just you have to change it, minus. So this is our first step. Then what we have to do? We will copy this sum here. 1 upon root 7 plus root 2. Now what we have to do? Multiply this conjugate pair, root 7 minus root 2. Multiply and divide. Correct? So we are not changing anything. Whatever is the original value, that remains the same. This is all our laws. So we have multiplied, and 1 into root 7 minus root 2, we have to just write it as it is. Root 7 minus root 2. And here we will put brackets. Now here what you example formula can be applied, that formula which I explained you earlier. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Same concept we have to apply here also. This is a, this is b. Here this is a, this is b. So you will get root 7 square minus root 2 square. This is the way. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, which is equal to, we want to rationalize the denominator. So the denominator we have to change it into rational number. This is a surd. This is a binomial quadratic surd. That concept also we have discussed. So we will get root 7 minus root 2 upon root 7 square is what? Root 7 into root 7. Root 7 square means root 7 into root 7, which will give you square root of 49, which is equal to 7. There is no need to write also. As a 9th standard child, you can also just write it like this, is equal to 7. Same way, root 2 square will be 2. So we can just write it like this, 7 minus 2. Now 7 minus 2 is what? 5. So root 7 minus root 2 upon 5. This way we have done the rationalization of this denominator. We have got 5. And 5 is a rational number. I hope you have understood this one. Now second example we are going to discuss. For this example, if you see, we have to rationalize the denominator. So what we are going to do? First we will write conjugate pair of this surd. So we will write conjugate pair of 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 is 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. Just changing the sign. Here minus is there, we have to put plus. This is the first step. Now next step what we will do, we'll copy the question. 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 is equal to 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. So we will multiply by the conjugate pair of this is this 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. So the original whatever question is there, that remains the same. This is the basic fundamental concept. If I am going to multiply, I also have to divide. So we can cancel. The original value remains as it is. So whenever we are solving this type of example, minus is given, conjugate plus should be there. Now here the formula is what? Again the same one which earlier also I explained you all. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So I am going to use the formula 3 into bracket 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon what? Here a is 2 root 5. A is 2 root 5 square. A plus a minus b into a plus b, or a plus b into a minus b, meaning remains the same, minus 3 root 2 square. Okay, so now what you are going to get? This we cannot do anything. Keep it as it is. 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon. Now 2 root 5 square means what? 2 root 5 square. I'll just show it to you separately here. It means 2 into root 5 square. And we have studied in laws of indices. What is the law of indices? A into b raised to m means a raised to m into b raised to m. This we have studied. So same thing will apply here. 2 raised to 2 into root 5 square, which is equal to 2 square is 4. Root 5 square is 5. Root 5 square means root 5 into root 5. Root 5 into root 5 is 5, which is 20. So instead of writing it down here many steps, we can write it directly also, or if you want we can solve it and we can show it. Okay, now here 3 root 2 square. This also I'll show it to you for this example. 3 root 2 square means, here I'll write 3 into root 2 square. The same formula can be applied here, which is equal to 3 square into root 2 square, which is equal to 3 square is 9 into root 2 square is 2, which is equal to 18. Okay, so now we will get here 18 we got. So here 2 root 5 square, I have got 20. So I'll write here 20 minus, here I have got 18. So after that we will have 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 upon 20 minus 18 is 2. So like this you have to solve. Very simple examples are there. Let us move on to the next question.